Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the blocked account for your Reddit. So first you are going to launch the application, or you can just access the official website, and once you do that you need to log into your account, and then when you are in the home page, you are going to find your profile icon. You just click on it and choose settings. Then you will find yourself here in the settings page, and you are going to choose the third option, privacy, here. Then in the first section, social interactions, you are going to find the last option, blocked account. You just can click here, and as you can see, for me I don't have any blocked account, but if you have, you will find the list here. And if you want to block a new user or another account, you just type the user here, or you click on the plus button, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.